respected chief guest, parents and dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Before beginning, by the grace of 14 Masumeen, I would like to congratulate all the students that they have achieved their achievements throughout the year. Here I would like to introduce myself. I am Tasneem Zahra, daughter of Maulana Ali Haider Abdi. जैसे कि हर एक पेरेंट की ख्वाहिश होती है कि मेरे बच्चे अब पढ़ाई में कामयाब हो, ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़े, उसी तरह मेरे पेरेंट्स की भी एक ख्वाहिश थी कि मेरे सभी बच्चे अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़े, अच्छी से अच्छी पोस्ट पे जाए, अच्छी से अच्छी जॉब हासिल करें और एक कामयाब ज़िंदगी गुजारें. एंड खुदा के फजल करम से वी हैव बीन एबल टू डू दैट. बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम एन ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट. I have completed my post-graduation in developmental pediatrics and I have completed my post-graduation from Anand College. And back in 2014, जब मैंने 12th complete किया, I was very confused and I was not decided what to choose, and because everybody was going and opting for I want to become MBBS, I want to go for homeopath, I want to do this, I want to do that. I wanted to do something that is quite unique, जिसमें बहुत competition less हो और अपनी skill development करने का अच्छे से अच्छा मौका मिल सके. I came across this field which was occupational therapy. Which is different from physiotherapy. People were always confusing both of these fields together, but no, it is not the same field. It is occupational therapy that is different. And I came across it and I suddenly decided to go for it. Problem यहाँ थी कि मैं एक लड़की थी, so मैं आनंद में जाकर के अकेले कैसे रहूँगी और how will I be able to cope with this challenges. वहाँ पे शिया मजहब है कि नहीं है, वो लड़की अकेले जाके वहाँ पे कैसे रहेगी. मेरे पेरेंट्स को बोला जाता था कि आपकी बेटी है, वो अकेले जाके ऐसे कैसे रहेगी, कैसे कोप अप कर पाएगी. बट जो बच्चे, जो लोग अपनी ड्रीम्स को हासिल करना चाहते हैं, ट्रस्ट मी, बिलीव मी, खुदा उनका कभी साथ नहीं छोड़ता. आई वॉज देयर and I had faced every challenges. I came through it and I have achieved a good result and a good degree, and I am currently working as a senior occupational therapist at Regrets Cocoon, which is situated in Ahmedabad. It is a child development center and early intervention center. And back in 2014, that was the only college. अब ये फील्ड इस तरीके से डेवलप हो रहा है. सो फ्यू इयर्स बैक अभी सिविल हॉस्पिटल अहमदाबाद में भी ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी की कॉलेज ओपन हुई है. एंड लकीली वी आर ब्लेस्ड कि भावनगर में भी ये चूज़ हुआ है कि यहाँ पे भी एक कॉलेज ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी की ओपन होने वाली है, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड ब्लेसिंग्स फॉर अस. मेरे बच्चों से ये एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी, ऑलवेज लुक फॉर समथिंग न्यू. डोंट go for the path which is very much traveled, very much explored. Choose something new, try to be different and learn something new. पेरेंट्स से भी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि पेरेंट्स हमेशा ऐसा अक्सर देखा जाता है कि वो अपने डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि मैं अपने बच्चों को ये कराऊंगी, मैं ये अपने बच्चों को ये चीज़ फील्ड में डालना चाहती हूँ, ये फील्ड में डालना चाहती हूँ, उससे ये करवाना चाहती हूँ. डोंट प्रेशराइज द चाइल्ड. एज I am working in a child-centered clinic. I am very much aware that कि ये इस pressure से psychological and mental pressure होता है. So I would request parents to motivate your child and try to ask them what is their passion. Motivate them to look for their passion and go for it. And always be supportive to them. फिर देखो कि वो किस तरीके से अपने आप को एक निखार दिखाते हैं. The journey from nobody to somebody is always difficult, always filled with challenges, failures and success. But trust me, the end is always rewarding. So my friends who are chasing your dreams, don't be afraid to dream big, to dream different, to aim high and to push beyond your limits. You have the potential to transform not only your own lives but also the lives of the Shia community. And we very much want that our Shia community to be at the top of almost all community. Always remember, no matter what challenges you face, you have the strength and courage to overcome them. Just keep believing in yourself, keep working hard, and most importantly, seek blessings from your parents. I'm extremely parents, my mother and father, and my siblings who have been always supportive to me. And I'm extremely thankful to this organization for giving me this platform. None of these would have been possible without the support and help of Hussaini Education Trust and KSI Jamaat, who have been always ready to assist those who never give up on their dreams. So students, keep exploring, discovering and shining your light. You are the future. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the future doctors, engineers, businessmen and young voices of Shia community, and I wish you very best on your journey to the greatness. I would like to add here something. मुझे कॉल आया था कि आप टाइम पे पहुंच पाओगे या नहीं. So मैं टाइम से पहुंच गई, बट आई वॉज वेरी मच अवेयर कि शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम है. आई हैव टू रीच एट 2 places. Whenever I come here, I always go to the Qabristan to visit my father's graveyard, and then only then I do any other stuff. But before this time, it was not possible because when I was going, I met with an accident. Just coming half an hour before coming here, I met with an accident. But the love of this, but the love of all of you, and the love of sharing my thought with you and experience with you, I am here standing with you with all your support to give to explain my journey to you and be the great example. So I congratulate each and every one of you, and thank you very much.